Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable Instagram notifications. So, let's get started. To enable Instagram notifications, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Notifications. Under Push Notifications, make sure the toggle next to Pause All Notifications is turned off. Also check the Quiet mode is toggle off. You can also customize your notification settings for specific types of activity, such as posts, comments, direct messages, and stories. To do this, tap on the type of activity you want to customize and toggle the switch next to the type of notification you want to receive. That's it. You've now successfully enabled Instagram notifications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more useful tips and tricks.